Okay, we got bets on both sides. Let's see it. Dreamland? I think that's a good choice. I'm surprised Puppy didn't ban it, but okay. He probably doesn't like Fountain then, which is fair. I don't like Fountain as icy. Some ices like it though. Or WEEG ban Fountain. I don't know. John, what seed are you? You're 9th seed. And Roy's 4th. And Yef is... Yef is 10th seed. And WEEG is 2nd seed. Lunar is 3rd seed. And Grape Ape is 1st seed. And Keijo's 8th seed, by the way. Okay, last stop. Big money on both sides. Oh, is Puppy gonna take this? In the polls, WEEG is slightly favored to win. But Puppy takes game 1. And now that the peach is gone, like, it's all foxes from here on out for Puppy. It's Puppy and foxes. That's all we're gonna see for the rest of the tournament, guys. Sorry. Actually, you're right. I'm not sure if we just committed to no Falcon. Oh, what? Oh, as you say that, there we go. Usually one Falcon. Chain grab to 40, doesn't go for it. Goes for a little cheeky throw near ledge, but doesn't get the regrab. And, okay. Brutal. Yeah, WEEG mates Falcon. Which is where he was seated for, by the way. Oh, the spike hitbox is disgusting. Oh my god. Okay, Puppy makes it not a 4-star. Okay, chain grab. Okay. Testing the SDI now. Okay, chain grab, sure. Forward smash. No, forward smash. Yeah. Beautiful stuff. Just walks into that one. Miss ledge dash, okay, he takes game 2, just like that. You're playing the winner of this set, by the way, John. If you forgot. You'll do good, don't worry, you'll do good. I believe in you. You got it, bro. I'm betting on you. And that's a kill. No, it doesn't, could have easily gotten on another 30%. But okay. Exactly. You have a protagonist. What's it called? You have like the main character protection. You're gonna win, Avi. You have plot armor. You have plot armor. Easy W now. Oh shit, you know, Puppy still might win this. Let's not count him out here. Hold on, guys. Alright, he just has to win on FD and then Pokemon, which shouldn't be too bad. I mean, okay, if he's gonna start doing this, then maybe. That should be a kill. Okay, early forward smash. No need to go for the read. He's nervous. He's not trusting his tech skill now. Look at that, 3 up smashes in a row. That's how you can tell he's nervous. Oh, he thought he would get the cheese, and he doesn't die. Okay, sure. Now he goes. Oh, that was clean. Okay. But don't forget, you know, FD is FD. Like Icy's on FD is Icy's on FD. That's a Pokemon's a whole different menace. FD is easy for Icy. Pokemon is still work. Chain grab, what are you doing, brother? Handoff! Oh my god, he doesn't have the tech skill anymore. He's either too nervous or too tired. I don't know what's going on. He was literally doing this. He was literally doing this earlier. It's the nerves. Okay, oh, he took the game. Very nice. Very nice. John, you didn't bet on anyone? Shit, y'all having a little chat in the voice channel, huh? I saw Becca, Shu, Sinix, and one more person. Oh, I love Icicle Edge Guards. Icicle Edge Guards are so fun. Yeah, I mean, like, Falcon just pieces up, bro. As good as Icy's punish game is, Falcon punish game is also Falcon punish game. Look at this. This could have been a kill now. It is a kill. Oh my god, he fucked it up twice. Okay. Fuck. No. I'm thinking Pokemon. What stage did they start on though? I forgot. They started on Dreamland, yeah. I think like Dreamland's probably easily Falcon's best stage. Link to the playlist? Sure. This is all one massive playlist I made myself. We're going to game 5. What? Does not exist. That's crazy. Ah, I have it privated. Okay, hold on. How do I... Here. Okay, try that one. No problem. Bro, I mean, I think Icy's are a bad character when you get to a higher level. And Weege is a very good player. Look, Slug is just really good. And top players that only play in like big tournaments are usually not as good versus Ices as some slightly lower level players. Slug is nasty, you're right. Slug is really good. Slug is the OMSA of Ice Climbers. Or the Axe, or whatever. Yeah, Fly Amanita is sick. But he also played like a really long time ago. Like that was, he played in the Five Gods era. Like in the beginnings of the Five Gods era. Oh, the taunt? And died from Stomp. What a... Damn. Right after the taunt. Well, GG's. Thank you for playing, Puppy. You played well. Okay, we're going to loser semis. Got WEEG versus John. Ready, go! Place your bets.